this is Andrew with AKA. I'm the lead installer on this job today. We are installing 59 square feet of Calcutta Valentin quartz countertop. We have one seam. We have one 3120 stainless steel sink. Everything should go well on this job. We already have some of the tools inside, just need to take the stone in. It is currently 3 o'clock now. Let's see what we can do. Hopefully we'll be out here in about 3 hours.
Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Lancaster, New York. We're just finishing up a quartz countertop install here with our customers. What do you guys think your overall process picking this stone out at our place and our measuring and installation?
It was very seamless, very easy to do.
Yeah, very painless.
Yes.
Was it easier looking at these full slabs versus little samples?
Yes.
Way easier.
Yes.
It definitely helped to make up our minds.
What do you think of our template process?
It was super cool.
It was really neat.
Yeah.
Okay. About how long ago did we actually template this for you?
About 2 weeks.
2 weeks, okay, so pretty fast turnaround.
Yeah.
What do you think of your installation and the fit of everything?
It's fantastic.
Everything looks perfect.
Great, perfect.
Yep.
Okay. Now, one of the biggest issues people have in the countertop world is the quality of seams. We do have a seam here on your job. What do you guys think of your seam?
You can't even tell it's there.
Yeah, you can't.
It's perfect.
The only reason I know it's there is because you pointed it out.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. We'd ask you to leave us a Google review when we're all said and done here. We really appreciate your business. Thank you, and very nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you.